There she is, love of my life. So we're trying to decide here if the two pendants we got will match the island. The island is 7 feet long, 5 feet wide, something like that. So we brought them out. The electrician's done some wiring, and we wanted to make sure that we sort of did our due diligence, because once these are in and drywalled, they're done. So hang them up, and then the island will be down here somewhere. There's the end of it. That's why the ladders are here. And gives us an idea of height-wise. Those are about where they're going to hang. So I'll get Tracy to walk over to the other side and look right between them, and that's where the eyesight is going to be. You can walk right through the island, Tracy. She walks around there. So if you stand right, yeah, see, so that's the eyesight. So they could actually come down maybe a couple inches, eh?
Yeah.
But yeah, and where's it's going to be about your belly height, isn't it? Yeah, somewhere there. So there you are. Right up here. The reason our concern was is that this light is right at the end of a skylight we had designed. But, you know, always looked good on paper until we got this 4-foot skylight, and then it looked really big. So it's July 4th. Happy July 4th. And we're done here. Bye.